What's growing on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you the only lemon you'll ever need to grow, and everybody can grow it. You got to see this thing. And that is the Meyer Lemon, growing in ground here in Zone 8, North Carolina. Yes, you can grow citrus in North Carolina. What's amazing about the Meyer Lemon is it is not a true lemon. It is a hybrid between a lemon and a satsuma, but it tastes just like a real lemon, except it has the cold hardiness of the satsuma and an absolutely insane amount of juice. It probably has 3 to 4 times the amount of juice than a true lemon. This winter was the worst winter I've ever had in the 8 years I've lived in my home in North Carolina. We got down to 9.7 degrees and had about 6 inches of snow with drifts up to a foot. And even under protection, a lot of my citrus got partially defoliated because it was so extremely cold. Luckily, they are all coming back. But the Meyer Lemons sailed through with virtually no damage at all, and I am having the most incredible bloom I've ever had. Look at all of the flowers on this. We are going to have a record year. This baby is absolutely loaded. Everywhere you look, hundreds and hundreds of flowers. And what is amazing about citrus is they are self-fertile, they will pollinate themselves, and they have just incredible amounts of fruit set. They have a habit of overbearing so much that they tend to set fruit on virtually every single flower, and then they will either naturally drop the citrus as they get to be about nickel size because they fruit so much it's just too much for them to handle, and then you still may need to go through and manually thin. This Meyer Lemon has fruited for me absolutely gangbusters before with totally ridiculous harvests with more lemons than I've known what to do with, but I think this year is going to just break the mold. It's going to be the greatest ever. The reason why Meyer Lemons are so great is they are natural dwarfs. So this is actually a rooted cutting that I have growing in ground up against my house for cold protection because the south wall is your warmest wall of the house. And then I just prune it to be a 5-foot tall shrub. It's been growing here for I think about 6 years. And then I string it with incandescent C9 Christmas lights that you see right here. I give it a black 60-gallon pickle drum full of water that absorbs heat during the day and it radiates the heat back at night, and then I just cover it in a plant jacket, and I'll leave that plant jacket on from roughly Christmas to Valentine's Day if we're having a really bad winter. And that adds a simple 15 degrees of protection against the cold. In fact, look at this. I think I actually missed a Meyer Lemon back here. Oh man, wow. This should have been picked 2 months ago. You can see when you let the Meyer Lemon grow and get over matured, it starts turning into its satsuma lineage. So here is a Meyer Lemon I picked back at the end of January that has been sitting in my garage for a month and a half. Yes, they store that well. And when they're picked at peak, they approximate that of a true lemon. They have a little bit of seed, but very low and just an absurd amount of juice. Then if you let them get over mature, they'll start to get really pithy because of the satsuma lineage and just the fact that they are over mature. But as you can see, wow, still really juicy, still really usable. Just an absolutely gorgeous, incredible lemon. But because of the satsuma lineage, it is not as tart as a true lemon. The acid content is lower, even though it tastes just like a lemon. So you could actually taste this. I mean, it tastes like a lemon, but you could eat the peel, you could eat the flesh. It doesn't burn like a true lemon burns. And watch the juice that will come out of this little tiny slice right here. Come on, that's insane. So if you live in Zone 8 or warmer, you need to grow one of these in ground. It's absolutely incredible. I'll link to a video both above and down in the video description that will show you how to grow citrus in ground and give them cold protection. If you live in a colder zone, this makes a great container citrus because it's a natural dwarf. Just bring it inside in the wintertime and it will make a gorgeous indoor plant. This is so much better than a true lemon. Once you taste a Meyer Lemon, you'll never want to eat a true lemon again. And that is why this is the only lemon you'll ever need to grow. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip.
If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.